We automate all of the easy things and we make all of the hard things easy. So our job is to continually improve the state of our infrastructure so that the developers who are rolling out applications, rolling out new features, have a framework that they can do it within, and they can do it safely. Automation is amazingly important to us. We are running conservatively 20 to 30,000 systems per data center right now with multiple data centers. LinkedIn currently generates over 50 terabytes a day of unique metrics on applications. That includes numbers, it includes logs, it includes tracing data. And all of that goes into various systems that are designed to process it and give us some useful signal out of all that noise, because no human is going to look at 50 terabytes a day of data and get anything useful out of it. When we start talking about the realm of AI ops and the things that are present there, you talk about artificial intelligence and you talk about machine learning. And LinkedIn has a lot of experience with machine learning. We have a very large team of excellent data scientists who are almost all dedicated to doing things for the customers, like people you may know, and suggesting jobs that you may be interested in. I think the easiest use case for machine learning right now, and probably the most critical one for us, is going to be in the realm of capacity planning. Once we start moving down the road of machine learning, we can do anomaly detection using machine learning models. So, do I think that machine learning is going to impact the org structure at LinkedIn? To some extent it will, because as we get more comfortable with machine learning and we're developing more systems that use machine learning in the ops world, we're going to bring more data scientists into the SRE organization.